the counties, so that the counties will also supervise what their farmers are doing in their farms and make sure that they benefit from the carbon credit. Because as they benefit from harvesting the coffee and mangoes and oranges, they should also benefit from carbon credit. Mr. Speaker, many organizations are benefiting from carbon credit marketing in Kenya, while Kenyans are not. And this is a very timely bill, because it will put up the structures for these people to trade officially and for our locals to benefit. Mr. Speaker, climate change should be included as one of the key variables in computing the shareable revenue for counties, to encourage counties to participate effectively in climate change. And I would also request, like the rest of us, that youth will be fully involved in planting of the trees. And also the forests that are in the counties must benefit in this carbon credit marketing, so that we can have on-source revenues from the counties to support our people. Mr. Speaker, I support and I thank you.
Thank you. Senator Kisang William.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, as we welcome the rest of Africa and the world next week to Nairobi, Honorable Speaker, it would have been sad to welcome them to Nairobi and will not have passed this particular law, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, you remember 2016 is when Honorable Tichilo came up with the law. We debated, it came to Senate, and it was passed. And you know, just like technology, Honorable Speaker, climate is dynamic like technology. So we should be amending the law every year, or even every 6 months. I know some of my colleagues have said the time was very short, there was no public participation, and we have not considered well how the counties are going to benefit. I want to report to honorable members that the law is very clear. Within 6 months, we can come back to the House, bring the same law, we do amendments, and we ensure that our counties benefit adequately from this particular law, especially on the carbon credit issues, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Elgeyo Marakwet County, as Honorable Sotsa has said, Elgeyo Marakwet, like the small counties, we have actually conserved the forest. All of them are above 30%. And we need to find a way where these particular counties will benefit more to increase their own source revenue, including actually, Honorable Speaker, your county, Meru, the percentage of forest cover is above 30%. You should be getting a size of billions, maybe 2, 3, 4 billion from carbon credit. I don't even know, even as Elgeyo Marakwet County, we don't know the beneficiaries of carbon credit from Elgeyo Marakwet County, from the 30% that we have forest cover. I don't know what happened. A few years ago, we used to be around 38%. So I don't know what could have happened to reduce that percentage from that 8 to around 30%. But we are doing a lot of engagement now to ensure we plant more trees, especially in our schools, to ensure we reach the 15 billion that our dear president has told us that we need to increase the forest cover so that at least we can make more money. Honorable Speaker, you know, the Rift Valley lakes, Lake Naivasha, Lake Nakuru, Lake Baringo, have, because of the changes in the global warming, they have increased in size. People have suffered. These are things that are reality, Honorable Speaker. We need to be serious. We need to focus. We need to conserve our forests. We need to plant more trees along the escarpments, like Elgeyo Marakwet County escarpment. We need to encourage our people to stop planting maize or finger millet and plant trees, because in the past they didn't know that you can make money from the forest. Now it is a reality. The regulations that have been put in this law are very important so that our people benefit from the conservation they are doing. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I don't want to take my time. I know many members are on the queue, really wanting to contribute because we have been called back from home to come and ensure that we pass this law.